Hello for today's video. Today we will look at three types of fit for the hull and shaft. A fit is mutual relationship between an outer dimensional element and an inner dimensional element before joining them. Clearance fit. When mounting with clearance, the lower limit dimension of the hull is always larger, at most equal to the upper limit dimension of the shaft. Clearance is the dimension between the hull dimension and the shaft dimension when the shaft diameter is smaller than the hull diameter. The minimum clearance is the difference between the lower limit dimension of the hull and the upper limit dimension of the shaft. The maximum clearance is the difference between the upper limit dimension of the hull and the lower limit dimension of the shaft. Interference fit. The upper limit dimension of the hull is always smaller, at most it is equal to the lower limit dimension of the shaft. And the transition fit occurs at the junction of the hull and the shaft, and both backlash and overlap can occur. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.